guys, it's Jacob here again with ePoolSupply. Let's go over the Polaris 380 and what's in the box today. Polaris 380, staple in the pool industry. Polaris is the largest name in the game, obviously, for pressure cleaners. Everything they make is pretty solid, to be honest with you. This Polaris 380 is a booster pump style pressure cleaner, so you have to have the booster pump to move this cleaner around. This bad boy comes with a 10-year frame warranty and a 1-year parts and labor warranty through one of their service centers. This is a great pump or a great cleaner. They have a trade series which is black. That's also called the TR35P. So the TR35P, that's their trade series, which means you got to get it from like a brick and mortar retailer, not sold online. But that comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, which is kind of cool because, as most of you pool owners know out there, these things do kind of go bad quite often. Everything from the tires to the belts on the inside kind of wear out after a while. So 2 years, pretty clutch in my opinion for a warranty. So let's go ahead and dive on into this box and let's show you what's inside. Yep, there's a pool cleaner in here. All right, so let's start with the actual cleaner itself and the warranty card. So you put that over there. Cleaner down. Everything's gonna fall off, break off, whatever. Warranty card, support part. Fill out the warranty, send it to Polaris. This is what's gonna activate your warranty, and this is what's also gonna qualify you to actually submit for your rebates if they're still doing rebates when you're watching this video. Let's hope this cleaner's still around when you're watching this video. So you're gonna fill this out, fill in your rebate card, send it in. They might send you a Visa card as a rebate. Pretty sweet. So this is our cleaner. Pretty cool, actually. If you know anything about the Polaris 360, this is dang near the exact same cleaner. It's just this one works off a booster pump. It's got a different water management system on the inside, so that kind of what makes it a little different than the 1.5-inch hose that's used on the 360. So this one has a smaller hose, as you can see here. So that's why this one, it's a tougher hose. It requires a booster pump. So this thing has some serious pressure behind it in order for it to clean around your pool. Hose plugs in right here. This bad boy whips around your pool. This does not come with the Tail Sweep Pro. This is a standard hose scrubber. So if you want the Tail Sweep Pro, buy one online, buy one in a retail store, buy one from your pool builder. Do it, because those things are great. Because this has a little water jet that if this thing gets to your water line, it starts spraying everywhere. So get the Tail Sweep Pro because it diverts water back towards the pool. And that way it doesn't get your windows wet, doesn't squirt your dog. It's pretty cool. Also, the TR35, the trade series version of this, comes with the Tail Sweep Pro on it. So they're pretty cool. This bad boy, it's a pretty nice bag. So it clips in and then clips around your hose. So when your hose is going into here, obviously it's the wrong end again. So it's going to clip around the hose, that way it stays in place and doesn't just flop around everywhere. The coolest part about this bag, it's got a zipper. So some of the other cleaners don't have zippers, they're all 100% Velcro. So this one has a zipper, that way it's easy to get the stuff out of the inside of this bag. This thing can handle some serious foliage around your yard. So as you can see here, it's got a pretty aggressive mouth opening here. So debris is going to go straight through there into your bag. So always check this, clean it out, because if this thing's clogged, it's going to create a little back pressure. Your cleaner's not going to work like it should. But this 380 is a pretty nice cleaner. This is a really, really good cleaner. These tires can be upgradable to the PosiTrack tires. They have little suction cups on there, and that way you can use it for tile and fiberglass. Recommend that 100% if you have tile and fiberglass pool. Get the PosiTrack tires. They're sold everywhere. All right, let's take a look at this hose. So this is your standard pressure cleaner hose that Polaris offers. It comes in 3 different lengths. There's a leader hose, main hoses, and what you're going to do, just read the instructions carefully when installing this. Obviously this end goes in the sidewall. There's only a little tiny hole here. That's what all the water goes through. And that orifice can be changed out with another size that comes in this warranty bag. But the standard is this blue one. But again, refer to your instruction manual because this is very specific on how you're cutting these hoses to actually have them fit your pool. So read. There's a little screening here. So if your booster pump is for some reason just pushing through a bunch of gunk into your system, this screen's going to catch a lot of it before it goes to your pressure cleaner. The holes on the venturi of the pressure cleaner are the size of a ballpoint pen, so that's why we want to make sure the screen is really working good. There's no rips in the screen, anything like that. So if your cleaner doesn't work, you're going to have to take your whole cleaner apart. It's kind of a pain in the butt, and clean out those little orifices. But the first thing you check, if that thing ever clogs up, check the screen, because I can almost guarantee you this screen has a rip or a hole, or it's just not installed properly. So hose weights all the way through here, because your hose floats throughout the entire pool. And then there's our backup valve somewhere. Nope, maybe not. Nope, no backup valve on this one. So this one does not have backup valve, but you can add a backup valve, which is kind of cool. Right, there's no backup valve. Yeah, okay, yeah, weird. So like 3900 Sports have backup valves, but what that does, it kind of just lifts the cleaner off after it gets stuck inside of like a corner of the pool. And it's really a nice feature to have, because these things sometimes when the hoses go bad, they go to their favorite spots and get stuck. But that's on a side note, because obviously this cleaner doesn't come with it, but it can be added at any time, because those just kind of go right in the hose length sections like the rest of this stuff does. So yeah, this is our Polaris 3800 or 380. Pretty solid cleaner. We highly recommend it here at ePoolSupply. I'm Jacob. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.